Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can add soundboard sounds to Discord server. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so first of all, open up your Discord application on your PC and make sure you're logged in with your own account. After logging in, you'll be brought to the account's main page, and at the left side menu, you will be able to select the preferred server on which you want to add soundboard sounds. And after selecting a server, click on the little arrow beside your server name and to open up a drop-down menu and select server settings. And here all of the server settings can be changed only if you are the owner of that particular server. Now in the left side menu, select soundboard option and it will be at the top of widget, and the soundboard page will start displaying in front of you. Now just here a message will be displayed like no sounds. Since there is nothing uploaded here, to upload a sound, just click on Upload Sound button in the center of the screen. Select the file by browsing in your PC and change its name to whatever you like. Add an emoji and control its volume. Just tap on Upload to add the sound to soundboard of that server. And that's how you can add soundboard sounds to Discord server. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.